Hey guys, this is Daniel. I'm going to go over my trades with you really quick for today. I traded two tickers today. The first one was 6. It was gapping down this morning, so I had a little bit of a short bias on it. It tried to pop up through VWAP and drop back down. I went short for a 1 minute opening range breakdown. I put my stop loss just above VWAP and I started covering down here towards low of pre-market. Every time it dropped down to low of pre-market, it kept getting bought back up. So I had a feeling that it was going to hold this level and come back up to VWAP. So I got out with the rest of my position here. The second trade I took on 6 was a little bit unfortunate. It denied VWAP 3 times here, and then when it broke down below this level here, I went short. I put my stop loss just above VWAP. At this time when I went short, I was going to give it room to top of this candle here, but it started to hold this range for so long, I started getting impatient, and then when it popped up through VWAP, I got stopped out here, which is unfortunate because as you can see, it did come down and hit a low of pre-market again. The second ticker I traded was Roku. Roku ended up working out pretty well. I've seen this pattern with Roku a few times where it likes to sell off in the open, and then when it popped up through VWAP, and then on this pullback here, I went long. I put my stop loss around 129.50, and I started selling up here towards low of pre-market. And then when it made a new 5 minute low, I got out with the rest of my position here. And those are my trades for today. Have a good day.